Okay, so today we're going to show you how to get into your OVO-TV account. Once you subscribe to my service, I will email you with your username and your password and a download link to my OVO-TV app, which is what you see currently on my Android phone for this example. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. We'll go ahead and launch the OVO-TV app. And you will be taken to this dashboard where you'll enter in these three entry points: any name, username, and password. So click into the any name, and literally you can put anything you want. So for this instance, we'll put my TV. We'll hit next, put in the username that I will issue you, and then you'll put in your password and hit done. Once you've checked your entries and it's correct, you'll go ahead and hit add. It'll go ahead and authenticate and take you here. This will show your user account that you just added, and then you'll select the user. At first login, and every time that you log in, unless you change it in the settings, it's going to go ahead and refresh and check for the most current data for your electronic program guide. So essentially, it refreshes the electronic program guide. It refreshes your video on demand series, etc. As part of your IPTV service, it's always being updated and added with new content, which is a very nice benefit. So that's it, boys and girls. That's how you get into your OVO-TV app. Go ahead and like and subscribe my video.